Alright guys, welcome back again, and here in this video let's get started with the where we left. So we were about to draw the ceiling. So there are a couple of ways you guys can do. I would personally recommend going with the floor generator. That's a very handy uh, plugin. You can find it on the Google. It is freely available, but other than that, you can use manually. But floor generator is kind of a love, I would say. You simply apply the you know uh, modifier floor generator. It will be available in the modifier list, but after you install it, okay? Yeah. So here we have some parameters. We need to change maximum length to 10 and maximum width to, let's make it 350 or maybe 400. So maybe 450. Okay, 450. Yeah, this is just one click ceiling making process. Very easy, very handy. And one more thing. Yeah, we need to fix a couple of things here, but let's this I think 10 is too much. Let's make it 5. And here in the extrude I will reduce the amounts to 0.5 and 0.25, so this will reduce the detailing a little bit. And then next step is I'm just going to mirror this. Okay, yes, that's needed. All right, so I'm just going to apply and mirror it on maybe z-axis. Yeah, on the z-axis. Okay, so we have it upside down instead of downside up. And yeah, you see some creepy thing here. We can delete that a little in a while. And yeah, so I will right click, convert to editable mesh, select the element, and I will delete this little dude here. That wasn't looking good at all. Okay, next step is I am going to select my mirror and the ceiling and isolate them so I can fix in the image you see here, the ceiling is a little bit flat wherever the mirror is. So we are going to come back to the ceiling, which we converted to the editable mesh, and I am going to select these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and some of these, and I'm going to delete it. I'm going to just retain this one guy here because I will adjust the width of it and make the ceiling, you know, flat. Okay, just like this. Okay, I believe this looks really good now. So in the front view, maybe we can finish the isolation and we can select the mirror. You remember we have had two of the guys over there. Apply edit poly and move our mirror a little bit down so it doesn't intersect the ceiling and doesn't look stupid. Okay, yeah, that is pretty much good, I would say. And in this part here now, the flat part, maybe we can select this dude and we can select this element. Oh no, we need to select the ceiling, select this guy, and okay, we get the option of detach, and we don't have to detach it as a clone. Okay, and select this guy, isolate it, come to the top view, and right click, convert to Edit poly. Alright, select this guy, connect with two connects, squeeze them down, not this way, but like this, okay? Alright. Oh my god, what happened? It didn't work very good. Connect again. Okay, press W, move it this way, select the vertices, move it this way, and see what is going on. Press F4. Yeah, we are doing good. We just need to move this guy a little. And now I'm going to finish the isolation, and I am going to bring the ceiling light, which should come here, right where the person will be standing if he is getting ready or doing something or facing his washing his face or something like that. So I'm going to select these vertices here again. Okay, now bring it closer a bit, move them down. All right, and now select all these edges, press connect again, and now we will bring a gap just like this. Okay, perfect. And now we will move this into this pocket we just created. Okay, and here we can do one more thing, that is we need to extrude this guy a bit upward like this. We need to shift and move, or you can simply press extrude and you can extrude minus, so we can get a good pocket for the lighting just like this. Okay, and press OK. Looks good to me, being honest. This is cool. Okay, so we have everything in place. We just need to place the camera where we can see what is going on. So you can see this button here for the Corona camera. I will create a camera from here, from outside, and you will be wondering why I created the camera outside of the bathroom. There is a reason, sir, madam. In the field of view, we have to make it 20. That's very important for me. The look and everything comes very fantastic when you enable it. And here you have to enable the camera clipping and show in viewport what actually camera clipping is doing. Camera clipping is telling our camera or 3ds Max, okay, I have placed the camera here, but you need to start looking from inside the room. And we will give that distance. We will tell that from where you can start looking. Okay, whenever I'm increasing the lines, you will see a line appearing here. Whenever I increase this distance, you will see the line moving. Now I will have to bring that line in. Boom. Okay, now if I press C and F3, you can see what is going on here. And yeah, so I will change a couple of settings. Let's see what image size we have for the render. It is 1800 by 2200. So in the common parameters, you will have to change this output size to the custom, and you have to make 1800 by 2200. That is what we are looking for. Actually, okay, I believe we need to move the camera a little bit back. I clicked here on the dolly cam and I pressed F3 so I can see with the help of wireframe, and we need actually, I believe, this much. Okay, so we can see the commode, we can see rest of the thing. But now what happened, our line which we drew for the camera clipping came out, so we need to increase the distance again. Now if line is out and I press C, you will see only the front wall in the shaded view, which we don't really want. So we will increase the camera clipping from here to here. Okay, yeah. Now I press F3, I can see everything, and this looks fantastic. Even if I can dolly a little bit more, that is good. But I think that is fine, that looks cool. Anyhow, yeah, but we need to increase a little bit again. Press F3, bring it back a little bit. Okay, so we have everything. We can see the ceiling, we can see the commode, we can see that area there as well. And I think we can sum up these camera settings here, and in the next video we are going to apply the materials very soon. Okay, see you there.